Hi. So we're gonna be drawing we're gonna be drawing today, which is very unusual. So can you guess what we're drawing? So it may seem unusual, but we're gonna start by doing a pink line. Right, so then I'm gonna draw two lines here. That joining up or going up. It may look like some sort of squash thing now, but it's not, because ta-da, look at that. So we're going to draw a little dot on top, like a rainbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a very long one, you can't see it all. You can see the whole of my paper is going to turn pink. Right. So, look at that. And then we're going to get some purple pen out. Gonna draw the McDonald's sign loads of times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's enough. 2 dots. Oh no! I drew it wrong. Here we'll draw one. Now we're going to join up sparkling parts like this to the dots. See, I've drawn the edge of this paper, so yeah. Oh, there's more paper. It's weird. So, can you guess how much birds there are? So that is, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm pretty sure I've counted right, but to be sure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, it was definitely 9 of these. I'm pretty sure. tell me if I'm wrong, but them dots aren't just a picture related. So, are green. So, I'm gonna want up purple again. Loink. There's a See next. That's looking very pretty, isn't it? To celebrate, we're gonna get some black here. It picks pink. It's very pretty. Now, Withdraw. No, it's gone wrong. There. That's what we were. Let me see. There's lots of part of this paper. Oh yeah, that's where we were. And just a little bit this way. Yeah, that's where we was. It's actually going to blend all our colours together. This white is going to have some texture. That over here. It's beautiful. So, I'm going to get our bright red and colour in the corner. Oh, why would I draw there? Because that's very pretty. Red. Red for the outline.
Hey, Minecraft gang. Huh? Huh? Woo!
Turns out that it's giant.
Peach! Do you like your peaches, Belle?
Yep. Looking pretty good. I bet you could see the whole of Toad City from it. Yeah, just chatting there. So, gonna have some fun here.
When's dinner?
In just a minute.
I'm going to go around Harrison's after.
You did ask me earlier what time dinner was, and I said about 5:30.
Yeah, but I don't know how long. I thought chili would take like half an hour. Andesite and gravel. You got gravel on the andesite. Oh, and I'm gonna sleep around Harrison's.
So, to mix it up, get some more birds. 13 birds in this picture. Can you spot all of them? So, looking good, isn't it? Nearly done here. So since it's the sky, we're gonna want to add some blue.
The blocks look exactly the same though.
So, next, it is the sky and it is sunset, so we're going to need some orange to spice it up. I'll show you the whole thing in the next video. It's looking pretty, isn't it? No blurs. I'll show you the whole thing in the next video.
Yeah, Amanda can help you.
I can show you a bigger version of it, but
She has actually been up with all that as well.
Oh no, nachos again?
That's what I'd planned, but then I forgot she had it last night as well. I had a feeling she had something else last night.
On the back.
Yeah, I'm not coming.
Now, the texture's going to be pretty weird now that I've got glue all over it. But that's the reason, right? Because I am going to cover it in a scrap paper to extra secure this. I'll admit it. I tried to hide from you, but I had another piece of the paper. So, you win.
Oh. They're actually supposed to last.
Now, we're going to take some tape and tape some certain pieces on. So you're going to have 3 different colours. We're not wanting to touch the tape part with all that green on it. You might want to try and copy me, but you can't. And then we're going to do the best part ever. Make some of this extra paper. go a bit if you muddle up. And start wiping all of that greenness off. So the plan is to wipe different colours together. Now that's looking quite pretty, isn't it? Look at that. That's incredible. So it's a black hole basically. And then we're just gonna get a load of different colours. Muddle up on each 3 of these. You haven't seen the third one though. I'll let you see the third one for luck. There. All 3. So brown is going to make it a lot more like scary and cautious. So it's a little bit more brown to see. Sticks to my finger now. I'll add some music in part 2, because why not? And I will be speaking, but you won't be able to hear it. But I guess I could let you hear it a little bit. Nah, let's not do that instead. Because it's not on YouTube Shorts, which is sad, so it's not going to be as fun. Oh, that is beautiful. It's beautiful. Now this one's gonna look so pretty. Look at that. And then finally grab a piece of tape and see you in part 2.